Hi everyone and welcome in a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cell background and font color dynamically using SSRS SQL Server reporting services. Today I'm going to use a report builder which is as we said the last time is the light version of SSRS. So as you can see here I have already created HR report which is presenting human resources data. I'm going to focus on the first table. I'm not going to use all those visualizations. We don't need that for this video. I'm going to focus also on this column or this cell, basically on this cell, which is salary. So I'm going to use this expression to change the font color. So as you can see here, SSRS offer us the ability to change for multiple colors. Also, we can use RGB color system to change to the suitable color. For this case, I'm going to use expression. Okay. So for this font color, if salary higher or equal to 50,000, then the font color should be red, else is let's say white. Okay, so let's start typing our expression. If let's choose the suitable field which is salary, more higher or equal to 50,000. So the true result is will show us red, and if this condition is false, so we are going to see the white color for the font color for this cell. Okay, let's save, let's run. Let's just wait until the run process finished. Sometimes SSRS or report builder just stopped running, so we are going to stop working with it and just reopen the SSRS file. So we already save the expression. Let's run. Okay, let's change to summary. Okay, let's check the table's visibility is high, so let's change it to show. Okay, so as you can see here, uh, the salary, if is higher or equal to 50,000, so it's show us in red. So this one is it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist, but it's in white. So we are now moving to dynamically change the cell background. Okay, so here we have the background color. We are going to tape if in this condition we are going to if salary higher or equal to 50,000, then pink. Okay, else blue. Okay, so let's work on this expression. So the true part or the true result will show us pink color, and the false if this expression is false, so we are going to see the background color with blue. Okay, so let's save, let's run again. Okay, so as you can see here, the values which are in red, and that's mean higher or equal to 50,000. So it's red, the font color, and the background color is in pink. And the other values, as you can see here, are is less or equal to uh, 50,000. So we have here the font color is white with a background color is blue. So as you can see here, for all the video, for all the table, so our work is correct. So thanks all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please click on the like button, subscribe button to watch more videos, and comment what you want to see next videos. So and hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you all for watching it, and bye.